Welcome to JH. In this guide, we will walk through the process of publishing a post on Substack. To start, click the large orange Create button and select Post. This opens the editor where you can enter your title and subtitle, then begin drafting your content in the space provided. Once your text is ready, you can insert subscription buttons throughout the article. Just place your cursor in the desired spot, click Button, and select Subscribe. It is also a good idea to add another subscription button at the conclusion of your post. When you are satisfied with the draft, click Continue. On the next screen, choose whether your audience is everyone or only paid subscribers, and set your comment preferences to either everyone or no one. You can also refine the text for your publication and check the social preview. Decide if you want to distribute the post via email and the Substack app by toggling the appropriate button. Finally, you can either schedule a future time for publication or send it out to everyone immediately. For this tutorial, I will publish it right now. Thank you for watching. If this was helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more guides. See you in the next one.